Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you browser console in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Go to this and here the 3 bar icon that we will enter the more tools as because we will do the browser console thing. So click here, see here the lots of thing browser console. What have Actually, this is the apparent process browser console. See, a multi-process, we can process, it has been slower. See here the things. Actually, the browser process in Mozilla Firefox handles various responsibility to ensure smooth and secure operations. Here also two kinds of also the multi-process architecture. Here the multi-process which has been slow, this browser process also lots of things. Benefits of this is stability, performance, security, troubleshoot, lots of things we can do this thing. Actually this working for the help troubleshoot and any kinds of, if you are facing any kinds of problem like when we developing some websites. So here the CSS and there have error, if there have some error here the request, also the settings option show timestamp, also which time the thing has been arise some problem, and if there have enabled networking problem, so that also has been shown in this here. That is the browser console that we can directly work from the browser site. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.